Hello my redneck friends, we just out here with the family. My brother's behind the camera, my sister-in-law, my wife, and my daughter. We out here shooting Ruger 22 caliber pellet guns. We're gonna see who can hit the best out of all of us. We are shooting pennies from 20 yards out. We're gonna try and see who can hit the pennies taped, but they have to hit in between the copper. They cannot hit the tape and it count. It's a pretty decent little shot back. So let's get this on and see who can shoot better. And we will be letting y'all know who hits and where we hit. My wife Rachel is going up first.
What are you shooting at? Bottom middle.
She's shooting at the bottom middle. And she missed.
Let that gun up. Lift your gun up, Rachel. Yeah, a little high to the right. A little high to the right.
She hit a little high to the right. All right. Robert's wife is going to go for the top middle. Let's see if she can do any better. She's getting her arm steadied up. And she missed. She hit top right also.
You want to go? You want me to go?
No matter. This is my brother going next.
He's going for the left.
He's going for the left one.
Ow!
And he missed.
Right center. Right center.
The way I'm doing is when I'm putting, like, just showing the barrel.
Here you go.
My head barrel.
Wesley. When I shoot.
Maybe my shooting's a little better than theirs.
Yeah.
I'm going for the right one.
Going for the one on the right. He got it, folks. We have got a hit.
Right there. You just walk by.
Right there.
And that's what a penny looks like hit.
Did you hear that dead mast?
Right there.
Yeah. What was that?
Now we gotta try to get ours.
My shooting's a little better than theirs.
You got a phone call from Mama.